Namaste everyone. Today in this lecture talk, I'll be discussing growth factors, that is platelet derived growth factors, that is PDGF from animal biotechnology. Now let us go through PDGF. Okay, this PDGF was identified for the first time by Thomas and other colleagues in the year 1988. PDGF is one of the numerous growth factors or proteins that regulate cell growth and division. Okay, PDGF has also been known as osteosarcoma, which is derived growth factor. Okay, and glioma derived growth factor, in short, GDGF. Okay, hope you're able to understand here. In particular, it plays a significant role in blood vessel formation, that is angiogenesis. Okay, the growth of blood vessels from already existing blood vessel tissue. Uncontrolled angiogenesis is a characteristic of cancer. In chemical terms, PDGF is a dimeric glycoprotein composed of two A or two B chains or combination of the two, that is A and B. The PDGF A chain has molecular weight, that is 14 to 18 kilodaltons, and it has 125 or 110 amino acids. Okay, these chains are derived from precursor polypeptides of 211 and 196 amino acids respectively. Okay, the PDGF-B chain has molecular weight of 16 kilodalton and it has 109 amino acids. Okay, it is obtained from precursor having 241 amino acids. Thus, the dimeric PDGF molecule has a molecular weight of 30 to 32 kilodaltons. Now let us go through the function. Okay, PDGF direct cell migration, differentiation, okay, and function of a variety of mesenchymal and migratory cell types during development. Okay, PDGF is a mitogen for the connective tissue cells and clear cells. Okay, it plays an important role in wound healing and may act as autocrine or paracrine growth factor for some malignant cells. Okay, it is also a chemoattractant for fibroblasts, smooth muscle cells, monocytes, and neutrophils. The receptors for PDGF, okay, that is PDGFR, is classified as a receptor tyrosinase kinase. Okay, in short, RTK. R stands for receptor, T stands for tyrosinase, K stands for kinase. Okay, a type of cell surface receptors which was observed. There are two types of PDGFRs. Okay, these two types of PDGFRs has been identified as alpha type and beta type. Okay. Further, the alpha type binds to PDGF to AA, form PDGF-BB and PDGF-AB, whereas the beta type PDGFR binds with high affinity to PDGF-BB and PDGF-AB. Okay, both alpha and beta receptors stimulate mitogenic responses, but only the beta receptor can induce chemotaxis and actin reorganization. Okay, the PDGF receptors belong to subclass, that is 3 of receptors tyrosinase kinases. Okay, the PDGF alpha and PDGF beta receptors activate both common and distinct signal transduction pathways. Okay, the recombinant PDGF is used to help heal chronic ulcers and in orthopedic surgery and periodontistry to treat bone loss. Okay, so this is all about the PDGF, that is platelet derived growth factor. Okay, so in the exam, if get this question PDGF, you must explain what is this PDGF. Okay, then we can talk about functions of this PDGF. Okay, hope you understood the growth factor PDGF. Okay, I Dr. Pratibha K is signing off for today.